In this video, we're going to review Parrot AI and see if it's worth it. Parrot AI is a popular entertainment-focused mobile app and website designed to generate realistic parody AI celebrity voices and videos from text input. It supports text-to-speech video, which is actually you can just head over and type a script, select a celebrity voice, and generate a video or audio clip. It has realistic voice quality with extensive voice library that offers hundreds of community-added celebrity and character voices. It's ideal for creating memes, funny videos, and simpler interface that's good for beginners. However, for consideration, the platform explicitly says that it's for entertainment purposes only, and all voices are parodies. It offers a lifetime premium plan priced around $99 and sometimes discounted to $49. It's available as an app with some web functionality. So Parrot AI is highly regarded by users for its entertainment, so it's good. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.